The car's been setting a couple of days. I'm going to show you how you get it started. Grab the keys. You want to flip the seat back, and here's your disconnect for the electrical system. Just push it down into the sliding position. You can just close up your battery lid, and that's it. Now you've got power going to the car. Okay, got your spare parts, air cleaner, old carburetor is bagged up in that in there as well. So all your parts there. Just want to pump it a couple of times, get some fuel into it. Starts right up. You want to let it warm up a little bit. Get some heat on the motor before you take off, but it'll smooth out once the engine gets to temperature. We have put 65 miles in road testing over several days, about 5 days now, and haven't had an issue with it starting hot. Any condition where the idle has gone erratic on it, everything is looking good. I'll go ahead and pull it back up into the shop, and you guys can schedule a pickup for it next week. Have a great holiday. Bye.